Hey there, and welcome to our video on supplements for menopause, bloating relief and support. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of menopause belly bloat, exploring its causes, and most importantly, discussing the best supplements and lifestyle changes that can help you find relief. We'll cover everything from probiotics and herbal supplements to the importance of staying hydrated and avoiding trigger foods. So, if you're a woman going through menopause and struggling with bloating, you won't want to miss this informative video. Make sure to stick around until the end, where we'll share some key highlights and actionable tips that you can start implementing right away. Let's start by understanding what menopause bloating is all about. Also known as menopause belly, this common and often uncomfortable symptom is experienced by many women during the menopausal transition. It's characterized by pain, distension, cramping, and pressure in the abdomen, as described by Santilli. This bloating can significantly impact a woman's quality of life, making it crucial to find effective ways to manage it. So, what causes menopause bloating? It turns out that hormonal changes play a central role. As women approach menopause, fluctuations in estrogen and progesterone levels can lead to shifts in the gut microbiome. A study by Peters and colleagues in 2022 found that these hormonal changes decrease the diversity of beneficial bacteria that are essential for optimal digestive function. Additionally, age-related factors like decreased stomach elasticity, reduced acid production, and slowed intestinal motility can contribute to an increased likelihood of bloating during menopause, as noted by Sims. Now, let's explore some promising supplements that can help with menopause bloating. First up, we have probiotics. These beneficial bacteria help maintain a healthy gut microbiome and support digestive health. Remember those shifts in the gut microbiome caused by hormonal changes? Well, probiotics can help restore that balance by replenishing the gut with beneficial bacterial strains. One specific probiotic supplement that has shown promise is Provitalize, which contains a blend of 3 probiotic strains: L. gasseri, B. brave, and B. lactis. According to Better Body, these strains have been shown to help with bloating and weight management during menopause. Next, let's talk about herbal supplements. While the evidence for their effectiveness in specifically targeting menopause bloating is limited, some herbal supplements have shown promise in managing overall menopausal symptoms. Black cohosh, for example, is commonly used to alleviate menopausal symptoms, particularly hot flashes. Several studies have found that black cohosh helps with vasomotor symptoms compared to placebo, as reported by WebMD. However, a systematic review by Leach and Moore in 2012 concluded that more well-designed studies are necessary to establish its effectiveness for other menopausal symptoms, including bloating. Red clover is another herbal supplement that has been studied for its potential benefits in managing menopausal symptoms. Some evidence suggests that it may decrease the intensity and frequency of hot flashes, but the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health, NCCIH, states that additional well-designed studies are necessary to confirm its efficacy. Similarly, dong quai, an herb commonly used in traditional Chinese medicine, has been used to alleviate menopausal symptoms, but the current evidence regarding its effectiveness is inconsistent, as noted in a systematic review by Franco and colleagues in 2019. Moving on to essential nutrients, let's discuss calcium and vitamin D. While their primary role is in maintaining bone density, especially after menopause when the risk of bone loss increases, they may also have indirect effects on menopause bloating. The National Institutes of Health, NIH, recommends a daily intake of 1,200 milligrams of calcium and 600 to 800 IU of vitamin D for women over 50. Adequate intake of these nutrients can help support overall health during menopause. Interestingly, a study by Lenhart and colleagues in 2020 found that postmenopausal women with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, had more severe symptoms compared to premenopausal women with IBS. The authors suggested that calcium and vitamin D supplementation could be beneficial for postmenopausal women with IBS, as these nutrients play a role in maintaining gut health and reducing inflammation. Lastly, let's talk about ginseng. This herb has been used in traditional medicine for centuries to support overall health and well-being. A 2022 systematic review by Hossainpour and colleagues concluded that sufficient evidence supports the use of ginseng supplements for menopausal symptoms. The review found that ginseng significantly reduces hot flashes and improves overall quality of life in menopausal women. While the specific effects of ginseng on menopause bloating have not been extensively studied, its potential to alleviate overall menopausal symptoms suggests that it may be a promising supplement for managing bloating as well. However, more targeted research is needed to establish its efficacy for this specific symptom. In addition to supplements, lifestyle changes can play a significant role in managing menopause bloating. Staying hydrated is essential for keeping the digestive system flowing smoothly and reducing water retention. Better Body emphasizes the importance of drinking ample water throughout the day, as dehydration can exacerbate bloating symptoms. Regular exercise is another key factor in managing bloating. Physical activity stimulates the digestive system, helping it function optimally. It can also help reduce bloating by promoting regular bowel movements and reducing constipation. A systematic review by Franco and colleagues in 2019 found that regular exercise can help improve overall quality of life and alleviate symptoms associated with menopause. When it comes to diet, avoiding trigger foods can make a big difference in managing bloating. Keeping a food diary can help identify and eliminate problematic items from your diet. Common trigger foods include dairy products, cruciferous vegetables, and high-fat foods. Reducing sodium intake is also important, as excessive sodium can lead to water retention and bloating. Harvard Health recommends opting for fresh whole foods and reducing the consumption of high-sodium foods. Lastly, eliminating carbonated drinks can help alleviate bloating symptoms. The carbon dioxide in these beverages can lead to trapped gas and stomach distension, as noted by Better Body. While menopause bloating is a common symptom, there are instances when it's important to seek medical attention. If bloating or indigestion interrupts your daily life or doesn't improve with lifestyle changes and supplements, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional. Unexplained bloating can sometimes be a sign of more serious conditions, such as ovarian cancers, cysts, or fibroids, as mentioned by Javed. If bloating is accompanied by severe pain, persistent nausea, vomiting, or unexplained weight loss, it's crucial to seek prompt medical evaluation. In conclusion, menopause bloating can be a challenging and uncomfortable symptom for many women navigating the menopausal transition. A holistic approach that combines targeted supplements, lifestyle modifications, and dietary changes can provide significant relief and support. The evidence presented in this video highlights the potential of probiotics, herbal supplements, calcium, vitamin D, and ginseng in managing menopause symptoms, including bloating. Alongside supplements, adopting healthy lifestyle habits like staying hydrated, engaging in regular exercise, avoiding trigger foods, reducing sodium intake, and eliminating carbonated drinks can further support digestive health and reduce the severity of bloating symptoms. Remember, every woman's experience with menopause is unique, so it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen to ensure safety and appropriateness for your individual needs. By taking a proactive and personalized approach to menopause symptom management, you can find relief from bloating and improve your overall quality of life during this transformative period. If you found this video informative and helpful, be sure to visit nutritionmarket.com.au for more resources and information. At Nutrition Market, you can find the best supplements to support your health during menopause and beyond. We also have a virtual clinic with clinical nutritionists and naturopaths serving clients in Australia and around the world. Book a consultation today to get personalized advice and guidance on managing your menopause symptoms. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on women's health and wellness. And remember, while the information in this video is informed by research, it should not replace advice from your healthcare provider. Some scientific findings may still be under investigation, so always consult with your doctor for personalized recommendations. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful in your journey to finding relief from menopause bloating. Until next time, Take care and prioritize your health and well-being.